Okay, so we have a question before us, and the question reads: the figure below, meaning this figure, the figure below is a frustum of a cone. The base diameter and the top diameter are 42 and 14 respectively. Okay, while the height is 20 centimeters, you can see here. So we have the base. We have two bases which are 42 and 14. Okay, so the base diameter and top diameter are 42 and 14 respectively, meaning the base diameter is 42. So the base diameter is 42. So we have base is equals to 42. So this is the diameter for the base, and the base for the top diameter is so top is 14, as you can see here. Okay, so and we have been taught to calculate the volume. So let's calculate the volume of this cone. Okay, so we know that the shortest way of calculating the volume of a cone is by using this formula. Volume, so make sure you take note of this. Volume is equals to height over 3 pi multiplied by radius squared plus radius squared plus radius 1 times radius 2. So this is a method you can use to easily calculate the volume of the cone. So where h is the height, okay, h is the height and r is the radius. Radius 1 it's this one, and radius 2 it's this one. We have two radiuses. We have this from here up to here and this from here up to here. So we have the radius for the base and the radius for the top. Okay, the same applies to here. Radius 1 it's this from here up to here. Radius 2 it's this from here up to here. Okay, so here we have been given the diameters, not the radius. So for us to find the radius, we just need to divide by 2, because we know that radius is from the here up to the center. So just divide by 2, we are going to get the radius. So radius 1 is 42, divide 2 is 42 divide 2, it's 21. So radius 1 is 21, and radius 2, which is from here up to here, so just do 14 divide 2, so which will give you 7. So when you divide the diameter by 2, it will give you the radius. Okay, so let's now proceed. So we have volume is equals to height. We know that the height it's 20, it's given there, 20 over 3 times pi, which is the 3.142. Okay, multiplied by open brackets r1. We have found our radius 1 to be 21. We have just divided the diameter by 2, and it has given us 21. Multiplied by radius 2, which is 14 divided 2, this radius, it will give you 7. So plus 7 squared plus r1, which is 21, multiplied by r2, which is 7. Okay, so let's now begin our calculation. So 20 multiplied by, so 20 times times pi, it will give you 62. So volume is equals to 62.83. when you multiply this in this, okay, over 3 times 21 squared is 441. So 441 plus 7 squared, it's 49. Okay, plus 21 times 7, 21 times 7 is, it will give you 147. Okay, like this. Then here you just add this. Okay, so we're going to have volume is equals to 62 62.83 over 7, then you just add. So we're going to have 441 plus 49 plus 147. So plus 49 plus 441 plus 147. It will give you 637. So 637. Then here you can just multiply this, divide by 3, or if you want you can just do 637 divide 3, then you multiply by this. Okay, so let's now proceed. So I'm going to have v is equals to 62.83 times 3 into this to give us 212.33. Then we just multiply this and this, that would be your final volume. So volume will give us so times so 212.33 multiplied by 62.83. So multiplied by 62.83, it will give you 13,340.9. So this was the volume. Okay, so this was the volume, centimeter cubed. Okay, so this was our volume. So it's easy for us to calculate the volume of a cone if we have been given all the requirements. So all you just need to do is to master the formula, and this is the formula where it says v is equals to h over 3, where h is the height multiplied by pi, open brackets, r1 squared, which is radius 1 squared, plus r2 squared, which is radius 2 squared. So in short, you just square the two radiuses given, then you add them together, then you add them to their product, which is radius 1 multiplied by radius 2. So just master this formula. So this was the volume, and this carries 6 marks. So this is how you can get this 6 marks without any difficulties. So for those who need assistance, you can contact me on this line, plus 260 970 11 11 36. Okay.